I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ayana Lachey, and we back with another video. So today I am going to be installing a body wave wig. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to see down below. And we're gonna get right into this video, period. Okay y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna start by putting my wig cap on. And y'all, this is one of them tight wig caps. I usually don't even do wig cap methods, but I'm gonna do it for video purposes. So I'm gonna cut my ear tabs off. Cut it right there and make the ear tabs go down. Like that. Did I break my scissors? What the hell did I do to my scissors? I got another one somewhere. I'm gonna do the same thing to the side. If I can get the ear tab to cut. Yeah, my scissors. These were some really good shear scissors, and I tried to cut something and it messed my scissors up. Still won't cut, but okay, whatever. Okay. So I'm going to carve out my hairline of where I want the wig cap to lay at. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be Good gel and I'm gonna carve my hairline out how my hairline is. And y'all, the more gel that you put, the more you will have to blow dry it, and it will take longer to blow dry, so just be mindful of that. So with these ear tabs, I'm gonna take my time with that and I'm gonna glue down the whole thing because the ear tabs is where it lifts up the most, okay? So okay, Got To Be glue spray. You can just get you a small little can, and I'm gonna just spray right on top and just smooth it in with my finger. So y'all, for the ear tabs, you might have to go back over it and spray again because it might not glue down the very first time. So just be mindful of that. So I'm gonna just blow dry it on high heat and let it dry. Might take you a couple minutes. Some people let theirs air dry. I don't. So yeah, I'm gonna take foundation and put it on my wig cap this time. And I'm gonna put some on. I'm not gonna use the mousse spray. I mean foam tint spray until after I put the wig on. That's what I've been doing. So, and I'm using the color. This is the matte poreless normal to oily in the color 330, which is toffee caramel. I have a powder, but powders just don't work for me. Like, you know, just don't work for me. So I'm getting ready to put the rest of what's on my hand. And it's okay if you don't get your whole ear tab. We can just simply glue around it. I'm just gonna see if it fits. And yeah, I got a couple holes in it just from me. That fits really perfectly actually. From me, plucking. So that's okay though, because the wig is gonna be melted either way. So I did hot comb my hair back, but I guess I didn't get all the pieces. So okay, so we getting ready to like lay our glue down. I am going to be using some Ghost Bond glue and some Even Wonder lace tint spray. I usually only do 1 or 2 layers of Ghost Bond. I never do 3. I'm not trying to pull my edges out because both of these are very strong, so you don't need both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my layers. And as you can see, I'm going around my hairline. Like, you shouldn't be putting really kind of no glue on your hairline if you can help it, okay? And I do my ear tabs last because they never stick down. So I do them last so I could get them to stick. So I'm gonna smooth my glue out. And as you can see, I'm sticking down the wig cap while I'm putting the glue on. And I do light layers. I'm gonna do a thick layer after this light one first, cause I always find that sometimes I put too much glue and it be still white, and it be taking all day to dry, while one part dries faster than the other one. So just like that. And I'm gonna start doing just like this. And it's okay if you didn't put enough glue, because we're gonna go back through. This is why I say I don't really do 3 layers, because sometimes you'll still have to go back in, put more glue. So I'm gonna push this up a little bit so I won't have like a sticky forehead, and smash that down. I'm going with the other side. And kind of go ahead and start pushing that in as well. I know we didn't do the ear tabs yet. We're gonna get to the ear tabs, I promise. Okay, so just push that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay this one flat down. And this is session 1 of the wig melting process before I go in with the spray. And I would say give this first session about 5 to 10 minutes. And y'all, let me show y'all what I bought from the store while we're waiting. I bought some of this curl and wavy curl defining conditioner and detangler. I want to see if it works. So and I'm gonna put some heat to this. Yeah, I already started spraying the spray. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe my forehead off, but I just wanted to get that spray down. So this is where the melting. Ah! Okay, but anyways. Now, this is where the true melting process comes in at. So, I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm going to go get in the shower and wash my face. So, see y'all in about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be the part. It'll be like that. I think that's cute. So All right, so one side is done. This is throwing me off right here. Let me see. I didn't want my baby hairs to be real thick. I have already put my lace tint spray on, as you can see. All I did was put it on my finger. I used this and I put it on my finger and I went around my lace and I put my wig band down just to let it melt into my skin. So we're about to get ready and we're gonna start styling. Okay. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna start styling. So I'm gonna go in with my water first just to get it, you know, wet. And I'm not gonna drench it because I don't really feel like having like really wet hair. So I'm not gonna like drench it, like drench wet. Like, I'm gonna do this other side. It sprays. And then I'm gonna go in with my mousse on top just to flatten out my part and things of that nature. So I'm gonna go back and put some more water inside of my water bottle, so I'll be right back. I mean, I feel like it's not spraying, but it's a little bit of water in there. Oh, never mind. I don't think I need no more water. Okay. Maybe because I'm not holding it up right. But okay, so definitely need to go put some more water in that water bottle. But I'm looking for the little tube of stuff that I bought. Oh, here you go. So we're gonna use the Curl and Wavy conditioner, curling define conditioner. So it sprayed in my face. So it says conditioner for curly hair. It smells really good though. Directions. It says for human and it's spraying it on my damn face. I don't know how much you're supposed to use of this, but whatever. Okay, y'all, so this is the finishing touches. This is what it gives. But yes, looks really good. I love it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want to see down below. And by the way, this is an Amazon wig. See you later.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your